Hi, I'm Andy. I'm here today to talk to you about the new Walders range that's out, in particular the Walders Banoffee. It's a creamy liqueur, but it's non-dairy. It has flavours of banana and toffee, hence a Walders Banoffee. Great for mixing, and I'm going to show you one of the cocktails that we've created for you just now. We're going to take our coupe glass, we're going to pre-chill the coupe glass like so, take our Boston shaker, and we're going to take 50 ml worth of Pimm's. Classic English liqueur. 50 ml just in there like that. We're then going to take 25 ml of the Walders Banoffee. A couple of dashes of Angostura bitters, and then 50 ml of lychee juice. Lots of ice, small cheese tin on the top. Give it a shake. Lovely. Split, empty the ice, and double strain. Make sure none of that ice goes through to the drink. We're then going to take a slice of banana, and we're just going to coat it with lots of brown sugar, just on the outside. That's going to sit on the side of our glass. We're going to take our blowtorch and just caramelize that brown sugar. Just so it goes nice and brown. That's an Englishman in China. The Englishman in China is a perfect blend of the bitterness of the Pimm's, also the Angostura, blending with the Walders Banoffee and finishing with the lychee juice. Great served in a coupe, you could serve it long as well, and the caramelised banana on the top complements the Walders flavours. Hope you enjoy it as much as we have creating it for you.